Hi, good morning, students. Today we'll see the composite structures. So, composite structures means the two or more structures are combined together and form a one composite structure. In that, the first one is the reinforced concrete structure. In this reinforced concrete structure, we can call it as a RCC. Okay, that means reinforced concrete structures. Now, we'll see the first slide up of the reinforced concrete structure. In that slide, we'll see the first one, that is a concreting is done, and vibrator, by using the vibrator the compacting is done. Okay, and you can also see the reinforcement is laid there. That means the reinforcement is there, concreting is done, therefore it is a one composite structure that is called as a reinforced concrete structure. Then, why we are using the reinforcement in the concrete structure? Because the concrete is weak in the tension, and for to just oppose that tensile strength or tension in the concrete structures, we are using the reinforcement. Okay, now the next composite structure is the FRC, that is fiber reinforced concrete. So here in this composite structure, we are using the fibers with a reinforcement. Okay, now that means in the concrete we are using the composition of the fibers, the small types of fibers. Okay, and then the concrete. So this is a composition of the fibers and the reinforcement. So we can use different types of fibers in these concrete structures. So what are that different types of structures? The first one is a steel fibers. Though we can see the in the third slide we can see the different types of steel fibers. The first image, it shows the hooked end. Okay, that means the end having hooked like structure, that is called as a hooked end fibers. Then after that, next is a twisted. So that means different types of fibers which are twisted with their length, that are called as a twisted fibers. Then next is a straight fibers. That means the steel reinforcement or the steels which are straight in length, that are called as a straight steel fibers. Then after that we can also use the different types of a polypropylene. Okay, then after that the glass, small kinds of a glass fibers also we can use, and then after that the carbons. So these are the different types of fibers we can use in the concretes and make a fiber reinforced concrete. Now the third type of a composite structure is the steel concrete composite bridge deck. Means what? In this case we are just concreting the bridge by using the steel bridge. Okay, that means here in this case you can see this image, that is steel concrete composite bridge deck. Here in this case we are using the concrete structure but also with the steel structure. That means the steel structure and the concrete structure composition, it gives the steel concrete composite bridge deck. So here you can see in this fourth slide, that is a composite girder. That means the concrete structure is there, okay, and over that the steel structure which is provided as a bridge deck. ब्रिजचा जो डेक असतो तो आपण स्टील स्ट्रक्चर म्हणून प्रोव्हाइड करतो, and that steel concrete composite bridge deck will form. After that, next is the insulated panels.